Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how we can create hyperlink in Excel. First, let's create a hyperlink for workbook. From here, insert, link, select your workbook. It depends your workbook location or path. From here, lectures, that's my workbook. Select it, okay. If I just click here, directly it opens for me. You see. Okay, for a worksheet, from here again, insert, link, select the path, lectures, mark, that's my workbook, and for worksheet, click here, select sheet 2. Okay, you see sheet 2. If you just click here, directly it opens sheet 2. For a cell, select this cell, then insert, link, lecture, marks, bookmark. From here, select A10 and sheet 1. Okay. If I click here, yes, it directly selected I10. Favorite text. For favorite text, for example, insert, link, link forward. For example, this folder. From here, you can write article 1. Okay, if just click this article 1 directly, it opens it. You see, article folder. For example, I create a hyperlink for a PDF, insert, link, for this book. You can name it engineering mathematics, name it. Okay, just click it directly, it opens the book for you. For example, I want to create a hyperlink for a shape. Bring a text, for example, marks, bring it to center. You can increase its size. Good. Now, just from insert, link, select your path, lectures, marks. Okay. Now it works as a hyperlink. If you just click here, you see it shows the link. Now just click it directly, it opens the marks. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.